Hi friends, good evening, namaste to you all. A perfectly normal guy who is faking blindness is about to witness a murder. Friends, we are not talking about Andhadhun here, which was remade in several South Indian languages, but we are going to review new Kannada movie Sakat starring Ganesh, Surabhi, Nishvika Naidu, Sadhu Kokila, Kuri Pratap, Ravi Shankar Gowda and others. The comedy thriller has been directed by Simple Soni. Friends, if you like this review, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button for more such reviews and please leave your comments on the comment section below. Let us get on to the plot directly. Balu is an interesting character from a musical troupe and he starts acting as a blind person for a reality singing television show. It is in order to boost the TRP ratings and gain maximum sympathy votes. The two main reasons why he agrees to participate in the show: he is just following instructions from his caretaker played by Sadhu Kokila, and the other reason, it is his desperation to meet the glamorous anchor hosting the show. Balu starts becoming more popular and he tries to get closer to the anchor who keeps calling him darling all the time. Time for some thrills now as Balu witnesses a murder which is made to look like an accident. Initially, when Balu appears in the court as a prime witness, he casually treats the case, but when he realizes the victim's huge contribution towards helping physically challenged kids, he decides to take it more seriously and wants to provide justice to a good-hearted soul who was mercilessly killed. In between, a lot happens in his love life too as he comes in contact with a cute visually challenged girl, Nakshatra. What happens to Balu and Anchor's love story? How does Nakshatra influence Balu? How does Balu solve this murder mystery forms the rest of the story. It is clear that Sakat is a courtroom comedy thriller and the movie comes totally alive during the second half. It provides the right dose of comedy, emotions, suspense, romance and thrills which makes it a complete paisa vasool commercial entertainer. There are a lot of twists that would satisfy the lovers of murder mysteries, but it is the comedy and emotions that races ahead of thrills. Those meaningful dialogues by Balu when he is heartbroken, bonding between visually challenged kids and their star music teacher, the cute chemistry between Nakshatra and Balu works big time. One of the superb comedy sequences during the second half happens at the hospital when Balu's TV show director acts naughty with his married girlfriend. The whole episode is a laugh riot. Among the courtroom scenes, we have the pre-climax scene where Balu manages to crack the case, which has been shot really well. Now back to the first half of the movie, it is more of things happening in a reality show. In spite of some hilarious situations and one-liners, one would have expected more comedy with the talented gang of Sadhu Kokila, Kuri Pratap and Ganesh coming to the party. Somehow they have not got enough opportunities to perform to their potential. Direction while executing the romantic angle between Balu and his anchor friend is misleading at times. I also felt some of the scenes have that disconnected feel during the first half of the movie. Now, coming to the performances, Ganesh's brilliance while handling both emotional and comedy scenes is a major plus for the movie. Good thing is that we don't see him going over the top even when he is full-on entertainment mode. Nishvika Naidu is impressive as a simple girl and her chemistry with Ganesh works. Surabhi, portraying glamorous anchor, plays her part quite well. Something different was Ravi Shankar Gowda's get-up, but we don't get to see him much after one or two scenes. There should have been more scenes for Sadhu Kokila and Kuri Pratap, which is already discussed in this comedy thriller. Rangayana Raghu is perfect. Overall, this movie, Sakat, is a perfect stress buster with the right dose of necessary ingredients to entertain the viewers. So I would say go for it. Friends, if you like this review, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button for more reviews, and please give your comments on the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, friends.